सबसे पहले दिशा जी थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन आपका दे दीजिए, दैट व्हाट यू डू, वेयर आर यू बेस्ड आउट ऑफ, राइट? आपकी फैमिली में कौन कौन लोग हैं, सो दैट जो भी लोग इस सेशन को देखेंगे दे विल गेट अ क्लैरिटी, राइट, दैट you were able to work on your health along with whatever you have in your life.
I'm Disha. I'm 39 years and I stay in one of the Gulf countries. I work in a hospitality industry. I come from India, from Mumbai, and we are 4 people here in my family. Myself, my husband, my son who is 14 years, and my mother-in-law.
Yeah, so before starting this program, Disha ji, right, I wanted to discuss a couple of things around that specific time when you were facing health conditions and issues, right? So
Right.
how was your overall health before we started this program almost 2 months back? आप क्या feel करते थे and how you were struggling through those issues?
I had several concerns, in fact, before joining the program. Like I was suffering from disturbed sleep, joint pain, especially body pain as well, face swelling, anxiety, anger. Yeah, so these were some of the common issues, feeling laziness, lethargy, no energy.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And what was the impact of these problems in your life? Because I know that you are working in tourism industry, right? तो आपको ऑफिस भी जाना है, घर के भी काम करने. So क्या इम्पैक्ट आपकी लाइफ पे जा रहा था, एंड व्हाट वाज योर थॉट प्रोसेस? आपके दिमाग में क्या चीजें आती थी व्हेन यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग विद दीस कंडीशंस?
I always wanted to do something good for my health. Lekin time wise, I was not able to give enough time for myself. I used to watch YouTube videos and get some tips here and there. Lekin there was no push from anyone. There was hardly any motivation to do something. There was actually nobody, I mean, checking on whether I'm following what I'm seeing on YouTube or no. So basically, I used to always chal kal karenge. So it was always kal karenge. But I never gave the me time or never took care of my health. So basically, it was like always kal karenge, which never came until I joined this program.
और जब भी आप ये प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे थे, सो वर यू आल्सो वरीड अबाउट योर फ्यूचर की यार आगे क्या होगा, अभी से इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, like at this age of like 39, 40, अगर ये इतने problems हैं, so how it will be if I even reach 60? So ये तो basically एक concern था. Maybe कभी-कभी तो मैं सोच रही थी, maybe I'll be just always on bed at that particular age. लेकिन मुझे भी, I never wanted to quit that easily. That is why I joined this program. This program has actually helped me. I mean, mostly I can say with my issues of face swelling, joint pain, body pain, those have all improved now. Even I'm getting some good sleep at night. Anger बहुत कम हुआ है मेरा. So that is one of the best thing. Otherwise, I used to always get irritated with whatever questions I'm being asked at home or even my son's concern and all that. So it has improved a lot. Even my food intake, that's very much better now. Earlier, I used to crave so much for oily stuff and spicy food. लेकिन अभी ऐसे लगता है नहीं, I don't need oily food. So that has improved a lot also. I love eating fresh fruits and salads. And of course, the diet plan which I have been given also suits exactly to my requirements and what I like to eat. There is nothing in the diet plan which I don't like to eat or something. अरे ये खाना पड़ेगा. So there is nothing like that. Yeah.
So obviously we work on the inflammation part, right? Where obviously you followed a lot of things which we gave you as part of the whole program and the course. But I believe that your commitment was very, very high, right? Whatever you were following, I mean, it was really, really good. You were pretty much disciplined about following it. तो इसलिए हम इस जर्नी में इतने अच्छे से काम कर पाए हैं, राइट? बट बीइंग अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल प्रोग्राम, इनफैक्ट इनरोल करने से पहले की अगर हम बात करें, राइट, देयर माइट बी सम थॉट्स इन योर माइंड टू, राइट, कि ये प्रोग्राम मेरे लिए वर्क करेगा या नहीं करेगा. तो आपने वो डिसीजन किस बेसिस पे लिया? Because you have to invest obviously your time, money and commitment too, right? So what was running in your mind before enrolling in the program?
एग्जैक्टली फर्स्ट तो कंसर्न यही था कि हाँ मुझे मिल जाएगा, डाइट प्लान मिल जाएगा, आई विल गेट टू नो व्हाट आई हैव टू वर्क आउट, आई मीन द फिजिकल वर्कआउट ऑल्सो एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. लेकिन बीइंग इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री माय वर्क वाज नॉट स्टक टू लाइक 8 to 9 hours का job. It was like even 16, or sometimes I worked even for 18 hours. So the my main concern was basically जो भी मुझे डाइट प्लान मिलेगा, will I be able to cook that? Will I be able to prepare that? सो फर्स्ट तो यही कंसर्न था, ठीक है खाने का ये सेकेंडरी, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू डूइंग योरसेल्फ फॉर यू, तो
Correct.
बेसिकली ये कंसर्न था. बट द डाइट प्लान एक्चुअली सूटेड टू मी एंड इवन माय फैमिली मेंबर्स. सो ऐसे नहीं था कि दैट आई हैव टू कुक समथिंग सेपरेट फॉर मी आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स एंड समथिंग सेपरेट फॉर माय फैमिली मेंबर्स. सो बेसिकली the meal used to suit everyone. So मुझे कोई ऐसे separate food करना नहीं पड़ता था. So that was
Correct.
easy, first thing. And I mean, like after 1 week, 10 days, you really feel that let's continue this. So there is no comeback on that then. And as you know,
Correct.
like when I felt something was boring, oh, I need to change, you have always changed the plan for me. So
Mhm.
that's fine. Yeah.
So see, we were strangers, right? But what I think is that you took a leap of faith because you knew us, right? And that's where you thought, okay, let me do it, right? Otherwise, as a stranger जब होते तो it takes a lot of effort and we have to prepare our mindset. बहुत सारे doubts दिमाग में आते हैं because it was not a very cheap program. I can truly say that, right?
Correct.
तो आपने एक ट्रस्ट के साथ में चीजें स्टार्ट की थी.
Correct.
करेक्ट. बिकॉज कुछ म्यूचुअल्स नहीं थे हमारे कि आप किसी से बात करो. यू जस्ट टुक अ लीप ऑफ फेथ एंड यू स्टार्टेड विद द प्रोग्राम, राइट? सो डू यू थिंक कि वो जरूरी होता है कई बार, क्योंकि हम लोग कैसा है ना कि वी ह्यूमन डू अ लॉट ऑफ एनालिसिस कि यहाँ पर ऐसा है, वहां पर ऐसा है, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, एंड देन वी मे बी मेक सम डिसीजन. सो डू यू थिंक कि इस टाइप का फेथ बाकी लोगों को भी लेना चाहिए इफ दे वांट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग एनीवेयर?
Exactly. Faith is very important. I mean, like even tomorrow, if I go and tell my friends, oh, I have a coach, so you please meet my coach. Maybe, I mean, like when it comes to money, they always may have a second thought. Oh, maybe
Correct.
Disha wants to make money, or maybe the coach wants to make money. So it
Exactly.
is the faith that first has to come. Because without that, I mean, like if you think everything should be free or something like that, that's first thing not possible. Everything will not come for free. And secondly, only if you have faith in what you will be investing in, then only you will get success out of it. Otherwise, if you always have a thought, oh, my friend cheated me, my friend just, it was a scam or something like that, you
Correct.
will not achieve success in what you're doing then. Yeah.
Right.
So without
Right.
faith or without having trust, you will not invest, first thing. And second, even if you invest, you will not believe in what you are doing or what you're getting.
Exactly. बहुत अच्छा आपने बोला, because it is very very important to believe in the process also, right? कि चलो एक डिसीजन ले लिया, बट उसके बाद भी जो कर रहे हो उस पर आपको प्रॉपर फेथ हो, बिलीफ हो कि ये मेरे लिए काम करेगा, मेरा कुछ मेरे लिए हेल्प करेगा, एंड आई विल बी एबल टू गेट ऑल द रिजल्ट्स, राइट? सो ग्रेट 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 शेयरिंग. ठीक है. इसके अलावा ना दिशा जी, यू टॉक्ड अबाउट द मील प्लान विच इज ऑब्वियसली फेयरली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन, क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा डाउट तो यही होता है कि हम कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे. But apart from it, can you also share a little bit about the tracking of the program, the follow-ups of the program, a couple of things which you have been doing for your mental well-being and physical activity too, because those are equally important, right? तो थोड़ा सा उनके बारे में बताइए.
Exactly. I mean, like you have given me the workout depending on how much time I can manage. So that is the best thing. I mean, it is not dumped on me saying that, like, तुमको 1 hour का करना पड़ेगा or you will have to work out for 1.5 hours. Of course, you checked on me how much time I can spare on the workout. So accordingly, you have given me the workout. Follow-up, yes, that is daily follow-up. I can say even if I miss on sending something, there is always a message, oh, where is the, I mean, like a picture which I have to update you or even the details. So that's also there. And yes, for mental well-being, yes, you have offered me meditation activities, reading activities, gratitude writing. So there are plenty of things. I mean, like not too much burden, but a little of everything. So, of course, people should not expect results in 1 month, I can say. It will be definitely a long process, or not just three or 4 months also. Maybe in 3 or 4 months, we can guide ourselves, or we can tailor our daily routine in such a way that we follow it for a long run or maybe throughout our life.
Correct.
So this is basically, I can say it is just the foundation stone,
Mm.
and then you know how you should work on it, and then it's up to us
Mm.
to follow. If we follow,
Exactly. I mean,
we will have a good health forever.
exactly. Very, very important because I know, I mean, we have to learn things, right? It's a commitment. Uh, Coach might not be there with you for your whole, maybe probably after the program with your, all the other stuff in your life. But you have to learn things and you have to start making those changes even when the program is done, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Which is very, very important because a lot of people are kind of dependent on their coaches, right? But this should not be the case. And that is how you can also sustain it, right? So when it
Exactly.
comes to sustainability, जो भी चीजें हमने की हैं कोर्स में, प्रोग्राम में, और जो हम करने वाले हैं, कर रहे हैं, right? Do you think that you will be able to do it later as well without the coach being there for you?
I think yes, I'll be able to do. I mean, like the diet plan, the physical exercise, whatever readings, good readings, in fact, I can say, and meditation and all. Of course, I'll be able to follow because those are not very complicated. It's easy going. And normally, some of it we do anyways in our life. Anyways, we do it daily. But, we need to know when you have to do what. That is very important, which we get as a guidance from you. So that is important. Only maybe sometimes, maybe perhaps I'll miss that push, which
Correct.
is required. Because sometimes we get so busy with our other course of life. And mostly when you're working, or even if you're a housewife, maybe you get engaged with so many different activities. Sometimes, especially ladies, they forget, that you have to look after yourself as well.
True. See, for women, it's very, very normal to have kind of imbalance with their emotions and thoughts, right? Because there are a lot of things, and the way God has created you is very, very different as compared to men. So I have seen a lot of women when they get engaged with so many things, they get anxiety, they get anger issues, right? And that is something which kills their body internally, right?
Exactly.
So that was a great victory when I started observing those things. So abhi program ke dauran, still we have a lot of work to do, but I can see that there has been a great change in terms of your body and mind, right? So आपकी quality of life में क्या difference आया है दिशा जी after working on your health for these many months, where you were earlier in terms of quality of life और अभी आपकी quality of life कैसी है?
Okay, earlier basically quality of life, maybe मैंने ये question मुझे पूछा ही नहीं था. How is the quality of my life? But yes, I always remember that I always used to get angry. I always used to get irritated with every little thing. मुझे हर चीज में गुस्सा आता था. क्यों? मुझे क्यों करना है ये? Why you are asking me this? Why I have to do this? So ऐसे होता था. So basically अभी life बहुत peaceful लग रहा है. There is happiness. And गुस्सा नहीं आता है. So basically that is my biggest victory, I can say, because I tried a lot earlier कि गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए, but that never happened. लेकिन अभी गुस्सा आता ही नहीं है. सामने वाला कितना भी irritate करेगा या whatever, अभी गुस्सा नहीं आता है. So that is my best victory, I can say, in terms of mental health. And irritate भी नहीं होता है, sleep भी अच्छा है. So life is easy going. I can find happiness in little things. I mean, like even sunrise, I find happiness, bird chirping. So these small, small things I like. I see my plant growing at home.
Correct.
So that's
So
good.
you have changed the perspective, right?
Yeah.
Through this journey. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So when it comes to the overall progress which you are making, right? Let's say if someone is watching you, तो आप उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हो when it comes to wellness program, when it comes to health, when it comes to seeking help at the right time, और प्रोग्राम में भी जब कोई आता है तो आप उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे?
I mean, like, first, I'll tell all ladies or women around that they have to care for themselves and for their health also. It often happens that at your good tender age, when you're all fit, you ignore your health completely. But there will be a day when you will find it difficult even to do your daily course, which I went through also. So, first thing is like, take care of your health, look after your health. This is what I'll say. And then when it comes to any of these programs, I will recommend it to people who really want to change and improve their health. Because somebody who is not basically interested, or somebody who feels that this is only money making, it is not worth to get those people into the program. It should come from the heart. Oh, really, I want to change, I want to improve, even if there is some money that I have to spend. So definitely, I mean, anybody who is willing to know what I'm doing, of course, I'll tell people around that I have joined this program and this is the change that I have found in myself. So if somebody is really interested, I'll definitely recommend this program to people around. And yes, I feel, yes, this is worth the program, worth the money that you spend on it, because there will be definitely a change if you follow the program honestly.
So आपको लगता है कि कोच गाइडेंस काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है when it comes to health?
Yes, coach guidance is very important, I can say. Without proper support, because coach is not just to like, ye kar lo, ye kar lo. The coach will also listen to you. He will listen to your problems. So that itself is very important. First, sharing your problems is the first thing that has to come. If you're not willing to share your problems, to solution to milega hi nahi.
नहीं मिलेगा.
Yeah. So coach is very important because you can be very free with your coach to share all your issues, whether it is health issue, physical issue, mental issue, and accordingly your coach can guide. Coach also supports you, motivates you. And there is always this push which is given by the coach. And without that thing, perhaps, I mean, like following whatever is planned for every day is very difficult. चल आज नहीं करेंगे कल करते हैं. That kal will always come in between.
Correct.
So coach guidance
Because
is
yeah,
very
that
important.
I'm asking this question because that is what I also learned when I started working in this domain, right? ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग पहले से perfect होते हैं. I also had a mentor and a coach, and after working on my health under them, after after 4 months, that's what I also realized, that it is very important to have a right coach who can always guide and mentor you. Right? So I've gone through the phase, and that is why I asked this question, because काफी लोगों को लगता है हम कर लेंगे अकेले, खुद से हो जाएगा, right? But at times it becomes very, very difficult. I think you have been doing absolutely great. We are actually very, very blessed and grateful that we met you and we were able to add value in your life. And that's what I say, that it's a lifelong bond, because even once the program is done, we will be there for you, helping you with all your health issues or maybe some other problems which you might face in your life, but still we will be there, connected and doing a lot of things in future as well, right? And that is the true value at which you want to do in everyone's life, right?
Exactly.
So आपकी जर्नी काफी इंस्पायरिंग है. आपकी कंडीशन जो थी वो काफी रिजॉल्व हो गई है, एंड आई थिंक दैट जस्ट दिस होल conversation will definitely help a lot of people, and it will give them a lot of hope and faith that it's possible for them as well, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, Disha ji, thank you so much for spending time with us, and chaliye, see you.
Thank you. Yeah. Have a good day.